सी स्टेटमेंट दी गई हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के जूनियर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर के द्वारा, जो कि कहते हैं ये एवोल्यूशन जो है, चार्ल्स डार्विन की थ्योरी ऑफ एवोल्यूशन, ये गलत है। उनसे पूछा गया क्यों गलत है, तो वो कहते हैं किसी भी आदमी ने बंदर को आदमी बनते हुए नहीं देखा और किसी ने नहीं देखा तो इसलिए गलत चीज है। मुझे लगता है इन भाई साहब ने ना ज्यादा ही पोकेमॉन देख डाला है। इन्हें लगता है कि एवोल्यूशन का मतलब है विकसित होना, जैसे पिकाचू राइचू में विकसित हो जाता है 10 सेकंड के अंदर अंदर, वैसे ही इन्हें लगता है एक बंदर आदमी बन जाएगा 10 सेकंड के अंदर अंदर और कोई होते हुए उसे देखेगा। और ये इंसान दोस्तों खाली हमारा एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर नहीं, ये एक आईपीएस ऑफिसर भी रह चुके हैं। क्या हालत है हमारे देश में एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर की। दोस्तों काफी लोगों को ये मिसकंसेप्शन रहता है एवोल्यूशन को लेकर कि अगर बंदर से आदमी बना है तो बंदर अभी भी कैसे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं पूरी दुनिया में, हम कैसे बंदर बन गए, हमारे जो पिछले एंसेस्टर्स थे, लेकिन उस बंदर के एंसेस्टर्स आदमी नहीं बन पाए। ये बहुत ही गलत सोच है एवोल्यूशन की। एवोल्यूशन का मतलब होता है कि बंदर और आदमी का एक कॉमन एंसेस्टर है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि जो डायरेक्टली अभी बंदर देखते हो आप उससे एक आदमी बन गया है। हमारा एक कॉमन एंसेस्टर है और वो कॉमन एंसेस्टर अभी जिंदा नहीं है। और थियोरी ऑफ एवोल्यूशन कोई थियोरी नहीं है, काफी लोग इसको भी गलत समझ लेते हैं। एवोल्यूशन एक फैक्ट है। साइंटिफिक थ्योरी का मतलब ही होता है कि फैक्ट्स के बेसिस पे ये साइंटिफिक थ्योरी बनाई गई है। तो एवोल्यूशन एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको सारे के सारे साइंटिस्ट मानते हैं कि एक फैक्ट है।
Darwin's theory of evolution. I know there's a lot of controversy on that, but why do you believe in evolution, or you believe man was placed directly? And the whole thing of apes, the science that has proved that human beings emanated from apes. Do you agree with that?
Brothers asked a question that science...
Sorry about that.
No problem. Then do you believe in Darwin's theory? Science has proved that human beings have been evolved from ape. Do you believe that human beings are placed? Regarding a correction in your question, science hasn't proved that human beings have been evolved from ape. It is Darwin's theory, not Darwin's fact. It's a theory. There is no book today. There is no book today on the face of the earth which says the fact of evolution. It's theory. The fact of the origin of human beings. No, it's theory. And for your information, Darwin himself said that there were missing links in his theory. If you read his book on the origin of species, he writes in this on a ship by the name of HMS Beagle. He goes to an island by the name of Calotropis, and there he sees birds were pecking in niches, in holes. Based on the holes they pecked, the beak of the birds became short and long. Based on that observation, he propounded the theory of natural selection. He wrote a letter to his friend Thomas Thompson in 1861 that I have no proof for my theory of evolution, but because it helps me in giving replies to embryology, to genetics, that's the reason I'm propounding. He had no proof on it. That's the reason in our school, to joke around, we used to say, if you were present at Darwin's time, Darwin would have been proved right. Trying to insinuate, I'm telling my colleague, he's an ape, he's a monkey. There were missing links. Furthermore, all the three stages today, science and advance, we have come to know that the first stage, the Australopithecus and the Iceman. The next stage that we have, Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon. All these stages that we have today of the human being that we found, there's no link between them. Certain things what Darwin said, that life is evolved from water, I agree with it. Quran says that, Surah Anbiya chapter 21 verse number 30, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ hai. We have created every living thing from water, I believe in that. But saying that we have evolved from one species to the other is a hypothesis. According to molecular biologists, Francis Crick, he said it is letting your imagination run too wild to say that we have been evolved from apes. If that was true, today we'll find someone in between man and human being. You only find in mythology. You don't find anywhere in the world a monkey man. Do you find? So what? Do you think evolution has stopped now? It is a hypothesis, and most of the scientists today disagree with it. There is only a small negligible percentage which yet believe in Darwin's theory. Majority of the scientists have already disproved Darwin's theory. I feel your knowledge of science is not up to date, brother.